All right, composition of functions. Question 3 here says, use the graphs of f of x and g of x, so here's f of x, there's g of x, to sketch the graph of h of x equal to f plus g of x. Now that's just a different way of writing a sum between those two functions there. And that's actually, here I'm going to zoom in on that. That's actually worth taking a quick look at. Okay, that means the exact same thing as f of x plus g of x. Okay, so just so that you're aware of what that notation means, and that's important because they might switch back and forth there. But let's now take a quick look at this graph here. Okay, maybe I'll zoom in just a little bit on that. There we go. What we're going to do here is I'm going to be a little bit lazy about this. I'm going to pick some key points here. I see that I've got a linear plus a linear. Well, a linear plus a linear is just going to be a linear. So I really only need to find a few points here. So I'm just going to find points that I can see work out exactly. And over on this far end here, and okay, notice what's going on here. I'm going to go along the x coordinates and I'm going to add the y coordinates. Remember that f of x and g of x, these both represent y coordinates or the dependent variable, if you will, not the independent variable. So here, when the independent variable is -8, I'm going to get -3 and +1. Those are the corresponding y coordinates. When I add -3 and +1, I'm going to get -2. Over here, this is a nice one. I'm going to choose this one because I'm lazy. Both of the y coordinates are 0, so the sum is going to go through that point as well. Then I don't know, maybe come over here to their y-intercepts. The y-intercept here is -1. The y-intercept here is 3. 3 and -1 is going to give you +2. And at this point right now, I do have enough to draw this. I do. But, you know, the more points, the better. The better. Over here, when x is equal to 4, the y value here is -2. The y value here is 6. So 6 and -2 is going to get you 4. And now if I just connect the dots with as straight a line as I can muster, I get this, and this is my h of x function.